Well, push number 2 removed. This one took me about 30 minutes. The method seems to be find where the roots are and go around and dig them, pull them with your softball blade. They're like that far down. I mean, look how far down they are. That's a big root. Like 4 of them on every tree. So there we go. Let's get the bush down first, you know. And if you're wondering, if you got one of these machines and you're wondering where to keep your pickaroon, that's the place. It won't come out of there. It's not coming out of there. It's awesome, but you can still get it out. Just so you know, you got to add the hitch first, though. And if anybody's been wondering how I've been strapping my machine down, need a little vise, you know, I don't know. It's been working out pretty good. I just hook a strap over there, run it up and under this, back down, and then one big strap on each side going to that. You know, it's been working pretty good. Hasn't moved a bit. I got that backed right up against that, so I guess that holds it. But yeah, that's how I've been doing it. It's been working out pretty good. This little trailer really does pretty good with it. 3,500 pound axle. Fits on there great. Well, here we go, guys. Got a like 2008 up in here because these bushes are out of here. What bush? I mean, how are they gonna know? What? No bush over here either. It really is like 2008. Oh, there they are. They just hit them over there. Well, always gotta hide your bush. Well, this is your local bush beating expert signing out. Yeah.